Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how to put music on CapCut. Okay, the first step that you should do, you have to click the audio button right here on the bottom of the screen. Click audio and then you can click sound right here. Okay, click sounds and wait a moment. And actually you can add the music that has been available on CapCut, or you can add the music from your device, okay? And if you want to add the song that has been available on CapCut, you can choose right here. Choose the theme of the music that you want. For example, I'm going to choose the love, and you have to download the music first. And for example, I'm going to download this music. Just click this button, okay? You can click this button to download. All right, and then you can click this plus button, okay, right here. Click the plus button and wait a moment, guys. It's still loading. And okay, now the music has been added to your video right here. And if you want to add the music from your device, you can repeat the step. Okay, click sounds right here. Click sounds and wait a minute. And you can click this button, okay? Click this button and then click from device right here. Click from device and you can choose the music from your device right here. And then you can click this button, okay? You can click plus button. Okay. And that's the tutorial from me, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.